of the truck, because it looks like it's getting a little low, and we don't want that. I've wanted to do this for a while, but I really just honestly been scared. I think I'm going to start making videos about the farm, because I got a lot of friends and family who really don't know what I do most of the time, and kind of hard to explain when you're just talking to someone. But I think it'd be really fun just for me to take videos of what I do kind of every day and see what you guys like, and maybe get some feedback from anyone who watches these videos, and just give you guys a little inside look of what it's like for me in my life. But I know it's probably not exciting to some of you, and that doesn't matter. You can just watch another video, but I think there'll be some people that might want to watch this, and if not, that's okay too. I can always watch it myself. But anyways, I had to come to town to fill up with diesel and the semi, and it costs a lot. Yikes. But I used both pumps, so yikes. How annoying is that? 1 cent off. 1 cent. That's always good to see. Let's go harvest some corn. The grain cart over to that same field. But first, I think this is gonna need fuel too. Yep. So we gotta go fuel this thing up. But luckily, not luckily, it's supposed to be this way, we have a fuel tank for our tractors as well, holding agricultural diesel, so it's not dyed red. Or it is dyed red. It's either dyed or not dyed, I don't remember, but we'll see in a minute. There's my brother Brian and the combine. And the guys that pump our manure came to pump manure today. Agricultural diesel. There's Brian and the manure guys. They're pumping over in that field right over there. Hard to see, but it's over there. So this stuff is dyed red. Now the reason they do that is because I think there are certain tax reasons or whatnot. But you're not allowed to put this in road vehicles like semis and like pickups that run diesel. Or at least, yeah, you're not supposed to. I mean, you can, but if you get caught with it, it's a big fine. So that's why we get our diesel from the local co-op. I put it in this guy to fill up our equipment. Get all those little last strips out. Let's go catch Brian. So if you're unfamiliar with this kind of farm equipment, this is a grain cart, and what this does is we just drive it right alongside the combine over there, and he'll unload the grain that he catches, and he'll put it in here, and then I'll transfer it and drive it and unload it into the semis. And so that's why this wagon essentially has an auger on it, so that I can unload it into the semis, and we can haul it back to our bins or the co-op or the refinery, pretty much anywhere. I just realized I had something in my teeth that whole time. Awesome. Gone now. So that's what it looks like. Pretty simple. Just don't overfill the trucks, that's all. It's getting pretty full. We're gonna have to catch them real soon. Those beans don't look super good. It looks like when we're unloading into the grain cart on the go. We're just doing the end rows right now, but usually when we're getting the bulk of the field, I can set up my guidance and I can have this thing auto steer, and all I have to manage is the speed. But it works pretty smooth, and so far it's worked for us this year really well, and yeah. Portable moisture checker. This truck's full, so we're gonna go ahead and take it to the bin. Let the pressure build up here for a second too. Now that this load is full, we're gonna go ahead and take it back to the main farm and unload it into our wet bin, so then it can cycle through our dryer and get put into our dry bin. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. We made it. Now one last hard part. I always get nervous going over this thing. I always get scared I'm not gonna line it up or I'm gonna miss or something. But it usually ends up okay. Blue line for blue truck. Go ahead and turn on, check it, make sure there's nothing in there other than corn. All good. We'll turn on our conveyor. Open up our trap. Open the handle a little bit. For everything. Here's our controller for our dryer. Coming out of the dryer about 16 or about 15.8% moisture, and this is our blower system controller. And then you can usually, when the ranger's not in the way, watch the grain flow. And so the grain will flow out of the truck into that drive over I drove over, that blue thing, up the elevator, or not elevator, but conveyor, into our wet bin, and then from the wet bin it'll go in through the dryer, through the top, and then it'll get metered out into the bottom through our blower system that blows it up into the bin behind this bin. So Brian wanted me to check the moisture on that load, so we're going to do that. And the whole point of this is because you want your moisture to be right at 15. If it's above 15, co-ops or whoever you take your corn to, they'll dock you off your price. Level it up. Hit enter again and it'll give us our reading. 24.4. So it'll go in the wet bin at 24% moisture. It'll come out the dryer right around 16, and it comes out the dryer about 130 degrees. And then once it cools back down to air temperature, it'll lose another point of moisture. So it'll be right around 15, right where we want it. While that's still unloading, we'll go check the moisture of the corn coming out of the dryer. Dry corn flows much easier. Level it. Perfect. Right where we want it. And that just shows that that's not always accurate. Well, that's just a little bit of what fall looks like for us. And hopefully I get the opportunity to make some more videos for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it if you made it this far. If you want to stay updated, just, I guess, subscribe. It feels weird saying that, given that this is my first video ever, but you know, if you want to see what it looks like from here on out, I'm sure we'll grow together. I'll get better in front of the camera and hopefully feel a little less awkward. But I just hope you guys enjoyed, and looking forward to making some more videos for you guys. And if you have any recommendations or requests, just let me know. You know, I'd be willing to make some videos showing you guys what you want to see. So just let me know, and thanks for watching.